Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 30, and I have a story called May I Bring a Friend? The king and queen invited me to come to their house on Sunday for tea. I told the queen, and the queen told the king I had a friend I wanted to bring. The king told the queen, my dear, any friend of our friend is welcome here. So I brought my friend. The king said hello. He said, how do you do? The queen said, well, fancy meeting you. My friend sat down right next to me. Then everyone had a cup of tea. The king and queen said, we are having stew on Monday for dinner, and we want you to come. I told the queen, and the queen told the king I had a friend I wanted to bring. The king told the queen, my dear, any friend of our friend is welcomed here. So I brought my friend. My friend sat down next to the king, and when dinner was over, there wasn't a thing left to eat. The king and queen sent me a card. Come for lunch on Tuesday. Please try hard to come. So I sent a card. Dear Queen and King, I have a friend I want to bring. The king and queen sent me a note. They said, the more friends you bring, the better. So I brought my friends. The king said hello. The queen gave me a kiss and said, what monkey business is this? They hung from the roof. They sat on the floor. They ate and they ate till there wasn't any more to eat. The king and queen sent a man with a horn to ask me to come on Wednesday morn for breakfast. I told the man to tell the king I had a friend I wanted to bring. The king told the man, please tell my dear friend that his friend is welcome here. So I brought my friend. The king said hello. The queen said with a frown, I don't know where your friend will sit down. So we sat on my friend. Please, said the king, and please, said the queen, come on Thursday for Halloween. And we want you to know, said the queen and king, you can bring any friends you would like to bring. So I came and I brought my friends. Hello, said the king and queen. Now, who can this be? Then the lions roared, and they knew I was me. The queen said to me, do come on Friday. Yes, said the king, it is apple pie day. I said to the queen, will you tell the king I have a friend I want to bring? The king told the queen told the king, who said, my dear, any friend of our friend is welcomed here." So I brought my friend. The king said hello. The queen said, "Whee! Let's hear you play. Oh, say, can you see?" The friend played a song called "Long Live Apple Pie." Then the king played a while, and so did I. The king and queen invited me to come on Saturday for tea. "No, no, my friends want you instead to come and visit them," I said. So that is why the king and queen and I and all my friends were seen on Saturday at 2:30 having tea at the city zoo. The end. Boys and girls, our story today was about friends. And today in your packet, you have a book called We Can Be Friends. So you are going to color the pictures. And if you have someone special at your house, your mom or dad or a brother or sister or anyone special who would like to read you the story, that would be a great thing too. It tells us good ideas about how to be good friends. Boys and girls, today is the last day in April, so we're going to see our April Bible verse together. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Have a good day, friends.